3.
Okay, here we are this is Earth Day 2020, and strange times for sure. We're up on an Orcutt Mountain Tree Farm where we've been working the last week or so doing beech control work. This is a particularly nasty stand in terms of tree quality. If you look behind me, you can see much of the beech here is probably 70 or 80 years old, and it's 2 to 4 inches in diameter. Badly diseased in most cases, although there are some really nice clean ones. And the best thing about this is that we have, if you look around here, we have quite a few nice spruce, red spruce, advanced regeneration, even up into the mid-story. Underneath this beech, it really needs to be released. We had a timber sale in the stand, and we marked through this. There are merchantable trees here. You can see this large beech here, here. I mean, there's firewood in this stuff, but the logger, we cut this with a cable skidder. He did not want to mess with it, so I don't blame him. We're 3,000 feet twitch down to the road, going up 500-600 feet uphill here. So we are thinning this to waste. We're not. We could salvage firewood. There's probably, when they're done with this 4-acre stand, there's going to be, I don't know, 15 cords of wood laying around up here. But I'm not going to bother with it. The merchantable height of this stuff is 6 feet, right? So it's like we'd be chasing around, wasting a lot of time just doing this. So we're instead cutting off beech up to about 5 or 6 inches. The ones bigger than 4 inches or so, we're scoring with making a kerf with the saw, and in all cases we're treating the stumps or the kerfs with a 25% solution of glyphosate, Roundup, the active ingredient. We're using this wonderful tool, the Husqvarna 535 FXB, called a backpack chainsaw. We've illustrated this in the past. It was 3 years ago now, we realized, so we thought we might do this again, just as a little primer here. It's a sort of like a spacing saw, brush saw. You're carrying this 35cc motor on your back, very light, very efficient. But you've got a 12-inch chainsaw at the end of a 6-foot or so reach here, which is just fabulous. You can just slaughter, literally, as you'll see here in a minute, beech of this size. It's like way faster than hacking and squirting with a hatchet and injecting. We've done a lot of that. This is 10 times faster. It really literally is. So we alternate. I'll saw for a while. Jess will come along with the spray bottle, treat the stumps, and on we go. We've been working. This has been slow going because there's so much beech to kill here. But we can be very productive here. We've got 12 acres total to treat here. We've done about 3.5 in 3 days, so slow going, but it's great exercise for sure. We've got NRCS cost share to do this, so this is a great time to catch up on this work, right? It's just that nice slot. Very cold today. It snowed overnight. Remember, this is Earth Day, April 22nd, and we have a dusting of snow on the ground, and the high today is in the high 30s. So a good day to keep moving also. So we're gonna start the saw here, break the video, start the saw, and film some actual work.